Good morning, soul family. Look at the sky. There are birds in that tree. Don't know if you can see. We are surrounded by birds, actually. This one and I. Hi, Ed. Say hello. Good morning. He's wearing his hoodie that I got him for Christmas. It's a tie-dye velvet hoodie, and he is so warm. Ooh, there goes some birds. Ooh, just raced over our heads. And now look, it is 32 degrees. Look at the frost. This is a berry hedge. It is freezing. I am just checking in. It has been a while, a long while. I don't know. I just felt the need to be away from the camera like I was. You know how you get lost? What do they say? You get lost in the sauce. I've been lost in the sauce a bit. But still, every day, checking in with myself. And as I've told y'all in the past, fluffing up the pillows of life. And just checking in. Look at the colors. Just look at him and the colors. Oh, wow. I can hear the birds. I'm spooking them right now. It's early. It's 7 o'clock where I'm at. I don't know. I just got up from bed this morning and my daughter is with her friend. And it's just Eddie and me. Anyhow, we're just checking in. We want to say good morning to you. Happy Saturday. I want to share this beauty with you. Minus the cars or trucks. Just look at those colors. Look. Oh, it's just too beautiful. It is absolutely freezing. And over there is the creek filled with kitties, homeless kitty cats, and people. Well, maybe not as many as there used to be. But, oh, just look. Just listen. Look at the trees. Look at their limbs. They're gnarly, but they're beautiful. Look at them. Holy. Eddie says, come on, Mom, it's freezing. Anyway, have a peaceful, blessed day, you all. What am I always saying about nature? She keeps you grounded. When I check in, when I go for my walk, and I look at what's around me. Yeah, see, I'm gonna let you go so that I take this walk and I am mindful with my little friend and what's going on around me. I don't know if y'all, I don't know how to turn this around so you can see me. I don't know if you can. Have a beautiful, blessed day, because you can. There's always a choice. Have a good one, guys, okay? We'll be back soon, right? Love ya.